Come on. Good morning. He sleeps so long. Say good morning to Lula. Good morning. Good morning. Sis ni katawa. Nanay maglungag sa nanay be. Yo. Yay.
It's a waterland, it's a zoo, and it's a Tivoli. All in one. Yeah, it's true.
Is it?
Yeah.
No, okay. Yay!
Oscar, skal vi stoppe den, så du kan komme på?
Hi! Wow, Haris! Daghan ni actually, oh. Yubi! Haris! Oh. Yay! He's so happy. Yeah, damang in na there. There, oh, closer there, oh. What if we get stuck? Are you sure we can figure this out? Why are we moving so
Asking so many questions now.
Kung ano ni siya, no? Atik-atik ba? Ano ba?
Sanda.
Yay! Yay! Karon pa siya nagmata, no? He slept 2 hours, almost 2 hours. Ala! Haris. Sa, igen, skat, igen! Igen!
Open pond. Sanda.
Hello! Daghan kayo diring kung ano? Kabayo. And Belle?
In the ear, that one.
Ay. And they have alpaca. Oh my god, the little one is there. Eee, that's so cute. Uy. Baba is going crazy scared. Alaka! Hala! Alaka! Hala, they will get mad at you. Hala, oh, you're eating itlog. You're very rude. Oh, you're eating the itlog in there, just there. Oh, laka. Hala. You're very rude. You eat the itlog in front of them? Naro ang alpaca, oh. Oh, see? Oh, daghan kayo sila uguan, oh. What is a moss bean? Moss bean. Guinea pig. And they have a lot of birds. Is it the same like the lovebirds? Yeah, but good. Wow, that's so nice, man. Yes. Lamit? Sabaw? Sad. Uy! Nay. Papura may isda o lamit kayo. Huh? No? Oy! Yeah! Otro. Yay! Again.
Yeah!
Whoopsie.
Wat een dik die haren, zat hier.